So if you are a reseller or a catalog based business and do not make products of your own, then this Reels video is for you. Hey everyone, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. So sometime back I did a video on Reels ideas, and that video was primarily focused on handmade products and businesses that make their own products. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link to that here and in the description box below. So go watch that after this one. I discussed about the importance of Reels in that one as well. So after that video, I got a lot of messages from either resellers or catalog based businesses, which basically means that they do not make products of their own. They do not have their inventory of their own. They basically place order with the manufacturers, and the manufacturers sell their products to the customers. So they wanted to know how they can use Reels for their businesses, because we all know that Reels have the power to blow up your business. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 ideas with you that you can use for your business even if you do not make products on your own. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. A quick disclaimer before starting with the ideas is that these ideas can be used by the people who make their own products as well. So these ideas are going to be universal for all businesses. And now let's just get towards the first idea very quickly. So the first idea is to introduce your business. Now you'll be like, oh, I've done that a lot of time on my posts. But hear me out. You know that Reels have the potential to reach people who do not know your business yet. Reels are actually made for this thing only, that to reach out to people who do not know about you yet. So it is a very good idea to introduce your business through Reels. Talk about your business, what you deal in, what are your products, your USP, and other things like that. It is going to tell them that what you deal in and whether they should go and check out your profile or not. And now I am just going to attach one reel that I did to introduce my business for you guys to get an idea.
Hey, I'm an artist. This is me. I do this. I do this. Oh, I do that. And that.
So as you can see here, I talked about my products. Basically, these are my hot selling products. So you can make any kind of reels related to your business. You can talk about the location of your business, the products that you deal in. Maybe there is something special about your products, so talk about that in your business introduction. Now a very good idea to find set templates for such reels, basically audios and templates for such reels, is to search for hashtag small business reels, hashtag small business TikTok, and you'll get a lot of ideas there. And if you do not want to use the already done templates, sit down in front of the camera, record something of your own and publish it on the reels. It is going to be very amazing for you, and it is going to let potential customers know about your business. So the second idea is to introduce your team. Now I've talked about the importance of letting your customers, your audience, know about the team behind the brand in one of my previous videos, and that was about posts to share on Instagram when you are new as a brand. And if you haven't watched that, I'll again leave a link to that video as well here and in the description box, so go check that out after this one. Now you'll be thinking that, oh, I'm just one person handling this small business, how am I supposed to make a reel on my team? So I'll let one video that I did for my reels play for you guys to get an idea. So as you can see, even I am a single person team, but I did this reel and it actually helped me gain a lot of traction. And when I went to my analytics, it is one of my best performing reels till date. So you now understand that it is not important to have a 2 or more people team to make a reel based on introducing your team. You can just be a solo person and still make this reel and make it fun. And also it will help people associate with you better, because it will give them a clarity on who are the people behind this brand, running this brand. The third idea is to make small business owner check reels. Now this is again something really fun that you can do, and there are a lot of templates out there already on Instagram in the reels section, so you just need to find the perfect one for yourself, or you can create one for you as well. Basically in this you are not introducing your business, but you and your business as well. I'll let one video play for you guys to get an idea.
Small business owner check. This is my name. This is the name of my company. This is what my company does. This is why I love what I do. This is an accomplishment.
So as you can see, it was more focused on the owner of the business and not the business. And why such reels are really good for your business is because your audience gets an idea about the person who has founded this brand. If they actually connect with you, if they actually know about you well, they are more likely to buy from you, more likely to get associated with your brand. So that is why small business owner check videos are also working wonders. The fourth idea is to share any story associated with your brand. Now you know importance of storytelling in establishing any brand, and you can do this in a very nice manner through your reels. So make sure that you are telling some kind of story through the reels. This helps in engaging the audience in the ways that you have never thought of. People do not always want sales posts. They want to know the story behind your brand, behind why you started this and things like that. Now I'll attach one video for you to get an idea.
How did I go from this to this?
So as you can see, I shared a story about my journey, how I have improved over the years, how my work has improved over the years. And with these storytelling reels, it is really great that you use your captions properly, write down great captions for storytelling, because yes, I understand sometimes the story cannot be justified just through reels. So make sure you're writing good captions for that, and for any reels for that matter. But for sharing a story, it becomes even more important. Now you must be thinking, what kind of story I can share? You can share any story, maybe why you started the brand, how you started your brand, what was the idea behind starting this brand, any struggles that you face while running your venture. So any story would work. You think about it, brainstorm some ideas. This one actually needs some brainstorming, but once done, it can help you gain a lot of engagement and have potential long-term association with your customer. And with that, we are heading towards the last idea, which is hopping onto the trends. Now you all know that there are a lot of trending tracks, templates and audios going on reels every day. Take advantage of those trending formats, trending audios, and hop onto those trends. Now you will be like that there is one trend going on which is not my cup of tea, or that is not associated with my business. But I'll show you one reel that I made which was simply not for handmade business, but I still hopped onto that trend and made it in my own way. So you know about the Aurora trend, people were taking their own videos, but I did that with my craft supplies, my favorite craft supplies. So now you get an idea that it is not essential that a trend needs to be used in the way it was started. You can convert it into your own manner. You can use it according to your own business. And trending reels, trending audios definitely gives more attraction because they are in a repeat mode going on, so it gives a higher chance for your business to come in the reels section. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content in the future. And also do let me know in the comment section below what more topics you want me to discuss in my upcoming videos. And if you still have any doubts, any questions, feel free to contact me. I have all my social media handles listed down in my description, so feel free to contact me, and I'll see you guys super soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.